Hi, welcome to Random Ramblings, a cozy little space where we talk about books, movies, stories, and all the little feelings they leave behind, especially the ones that you may not really say out loud. I'm really glad you're here. You know how sometimes the most random things end up changing your entire mood? Or perhaps your day? Yeah, this story kind of starts like that. So there's Olivia, and she's at a point where everything feels a little off. Her relationship just ended, she's moved back to her hometown, and nothing really seems to be going the way it actually should. It's one of those phases where you're not completely falling apart, but you're definitely not okay either. And then she gets a text from a number she does not recognize. And somehow, instead of ignoring it, she replies. And what starts off as a random conversation turns into this complete exchange with a complete stranger. They don't know each other, they are not supposed to matter to each other. But there's something about it that just feels so easy. The conversations are playful, a little chaotic, sometimes a bit too honest. And I think that's what makes it work. Because when you're talking to someone who doesn't know you at all, there's no pressure to present yourself, to be like a certain version of yourself. You just say things as they are. You can be your most vulnerable self. Say the things that you would normally not discuss in front of your family or your friends. At the same time, Olivia is adjusting to things back home, which, let's say, comes with its own set of things: old memories, old dynamics, people who already know who she used to be. And that contrast between who she was versus who she is now and who she's trying to become is always kind of there in the background. And then, of course, there's the part where things start to overlap. When the person she's texting and the person in her real life aren't actually as separate as she thought, it gets a little messy, a little confusing, but also kind of inevitable. And I like that it doesn't try to make everything perfect. There's miscommunication, moments where things don't land the way they should. Feelings take time to make sense between the two of them. And I think that is honestly very realistic. Because even in light, funny stories, there's always a layer of that uncertainty, of figuring things out as you go about in life, of slowly realizing what actually matters to you. And by the end, it's not just about the romance, it's about Olivia finding herself again, finding her footing, maybe a little slowly, but surely, in this highly unsteady world, of being a little more sure of exactly what she wants. And honestly, that is equally as important. I don't know, maybe it's more of a personal opinion, but I think sometimes the most unexpected connections end up actually meaning the most. I don't know, but I feel stories sure do have a way of staying with us. And if this one stayed with you too, then I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, take care, okay? For listening to more stories like this, tune into Random Ramblings. Bye!